So I'm back and I'm here with the 2025 Toyota Tacoma, the most reliable pickup truck on the market. The most reliable pickup truck on the market. So I definitely like the black exterior. Plan on getting these front windshield tinted very soon. Take a ride around it. Take a look around the exterior. So this is the interior. So I actually looked it up and the interior hasn't really changed much from the 2024 model, because the 2024 is when they actually remodeled the whole Tacoma, so it's considered the fourth generation. So this is the second model of the fourth generation, so it's very similar to the 2024 Tacoma. The 23 to 24 is when they make like a big jump and a big difference. So this year's is not that much different, but if you haven't seen or don't have the 2024, this is the dashboard. It does have Apple CarPlay, which is cool. You can get Wi-Fi to it also. That's the vehicle. Phone hooked up. Music. That's the home screen. Well, of course, it has navigation. It actually has. It gave me 3-month free trial of Wi-Fi also. So it does come with a Wi-Fi hotspot. And then it's a very basic kind of, hopefully y'all can see it, small glove center, open and center console. Then this is the glove box. So it's pretty standard. So this has 2,000 miles on it. Tacoma. So it's pretty standard compared to the 2024 model. Of course, it's a pickup truck. It's not a luxury vehicle. So I'm not coming from the Genesis. It's definitely a difference. You definitely see the difference between luxury vehicle versus a regular vehicle. So this is kind of standard compared to like a Genesis or a BMW